Modern-day mail continues to face challenges competing with online and wireless communication systems. But even with new technology, physical mail is still important.
While using the mail to communicate by sending letters has steadily decreased, other innovations spurred by the digital age, like online shopping, have increased package shipping.
And despite fewer letters, there are still messages being sent and received all the time, online.
Much like the telegraph transformed direct communication through the use of electricity in the 19th century, the advent of email in the 1970s revolutionized how society uses technology to digitally communicate with each other even today.
Just imagine if this had existed 224 years ago, the Founding Fathers wouldn't have had to come all the way to Philadelphia on July 4th for the Declaration of Independence. They could have emailed their John Hancocks in.
Through the intricate network of the internet, your email is safely routed from one computer server to another, delivering itself almost instantly without any interruptions. As we get farther and farther from Earth, there will be more challenges we'll need to overcome to communicate with each other, including interference caused by atmospheres and solar radiation, higher bandwidths and data rates and latency. Sending messages to and from the International Space Station is nearly instantaneous.
This is done by transmitting signals into space via satellites and receiving them through an advanced network of antennas around the globe. This allows a quick relay of information back to Earth, regardless of where they are in orbit.
But the farther we travel into space, the longer it will take a message to get to its intended recipients.
Because of this latency, it can take anywhere from 5 to 20 minutes for a message to reach rovers and eventually humans on Mars, depending how close Mars is to Earth in our orbits. Cards, letters, packages, email, how do you think mail is going to change or stay the same in the future? If you like this video, be sure to follow STEM in 30 on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe to the National Air and Space Museum's YouTube channel.